What's good, Loyal Gang? And we back in this thing on another video. Alright. Yeah, you gonna be cooking for us today? Yeah, you are a little chef today. You gonna tell me you're a little chef today? Yeah. Alright, so Lily's gonna be cooking what are you gonna be cooking today? Yeah, you cooking pancakes. What else you cooking? Yep, cooking eggs, sausage. Yeah, and hash browns. Yeah. So Lily's gonna be cooking breakfast food today. So once she finishes, her sister's gonna come down and they're gonna judge her cooking. Are you ready to cook? Yeah, you ready to throw down? So we're gonna go ahead and get into the video because Lily is ready to cook. So you ready? Yeah, you ready? Ready for the pancake mix to put in there? Alright. Alright, y'all, so this is gonna be messy. So we got our pancakes right here. It's the Kodak cakes. Right here. We got our sausage already. I already cut it up for us to make it a little bit easier for her. Then we got our eggs right here. I don't know if y'all can see them. Are you ready? I'm gonna let you pour it. You gonna pour it? You ready? Let's pour it. 3, 2. Woo! Yeah! You gonna mix it up? Oh no, that's not food. Yeah. Everybody's real messy. You gonna put the water in there? Gonna put the water in? Good job. We gotta mix it like this. There you go. Good job. Oh, there we go. We need to add more water in there. Yeah. Y'all, I ain't never had these type of pancakes, but I was like, we're gonna try something new. You got it? Yeah, keep mixing like that. Good job. Oh. Yeah, it's gonna need some more water. There you go. That's how you do it. Stir it up. There you go. Like this. There, here, Daddy help. There you go. Stir it up. Good job. You can't, no. Can't put it in your mouth. Yeah, there you go. Wipe it on your shirt. There you go. Oh, nope, can't put it in your mouth. Keep stirring. There you go. Good job. There you go. Get the sides right here. Ooh. Yeah, it like oatmeal, don't it? Yeah, it looks like oatmeal. I hope these pancakes good. We ain't never used this brand, y'all, so it's something new. Ain't have all that bad stuff they usually have inside the pancake mix. So ain't have like the enriched bleach. So this is like, what's in this? It's 100% whole grain wheat flour, grain oats flour, wheat protein, and brown sugar. So it doesn't have like with the original stuff, the other bad stuff they put into it. Alright, y'all, so this is what our pancakes looking like. Lily mixed it up nice and good. It's nice and smooth, so we're gonna put this over to the side. Alright, let's do our eggs. Wanna crack it? Are you gonna crack it? Here we go. 3, 2, 1. Oh, get you another one. Get another one. Pick this one up. There you go. She trying to smash it, y'all. Make it on here. There you go. Good job. We're gonna have little shells in there. It's all good. Throw it in here. There you go. Oh, no, not yet. Get your other one. Right here. Get another one. There you go. Crack it. Good job. Oh, you got a lot of shells in there. Oh my God. Okay, it's all good. We can pick those out. You gonna get the other one? All right, let's crack it. 3, 2, 1. Oh, good job. You got another one? Yeah, we got eggshells all up in this thing, boy. 3, 2, 1. Oh, we actually missed that one. It's all good. All right, let's get the last one. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Woo! There you go. All right, y'all. I gotta wash your hands. I don't want to put it in the mouth. There you go. Put your seasoning in. Put some layers in there. There you go. Good job. There you go. Mix it up. There you go. Mix it up. There you go. Good job. There you go. Come on. There you go. Good job. Okay. We got a couple shells in there. It's all good. Just pick those out. We're going to cook them things right on that. Yeah. Don't worry about that. Ooh. Yeah, ooh. Look at that. Ooh. Ooh. You put an egg everywhere. Oh, we got an egg? Ooh. All right, y'all, so we did the eggs. Now we're gonna put our hash browns in there. We're gonna drop them in there. You got it? There you go, throw them in here. There you go, drop them in here. No, you can't bite this. Drop it in there. Here, look, drop it in there. Good job. You wanna get that one? Drop it in there. No, you can't bite it. Drop it in here. Good job. Oh, no, drop this one here. Woo! Alright, we got y'all see it trying to bite it. Alright, here, put it in there. Good job. Alright. Let's put them inside the oven. Alright, y'all, so we just put the hash browns inside the air fryer. I know y'all can't see it. I can't really move the camera. Yeah. Alright, let's put our stuff over here. Alright, you ready to make the pancakes? Let's start clearing some of this stuff out the way. So now we're going to go ahead and put the pancake mix on us so we can make the pancakes. So Daddy might do this part for you because it's hot and I don't want you to get burnt, okay? I don't need you getting burnt. Looks good. Yeah. It looks really good. You did a good job. Now we don't know how these taste because you know this is the first time we got this brand. Yeah. You about to make those crispy edges? Yeah, you gonna make them crispy edges? Yeah. That's a big pancake right there. Ooh. But we had to take the hash browns out, man. I forgot they was even in the cooking. They almost got burnt, but they good. Look at that. We was close. We almost burnt them, but it's all good. They ain't burnt. Just crispy like we like them. So so now our hash browns are done. Yeah. So now our hash browns are done, and our first batch of pancakes about to be done. We're gonna do another. Yeah, we're gonna do another batch. Okay, we're gonna do another batch. All right, let's see if these was good. No. They're not good yet? They're not done yet? And they stay on about 2 more minutes? Yeah, about 2 more minutes.
All right, y'all. As y'all can see, Lily could not wait. It's already eaten already. Look at this. Look at this. Maya and Bree was supposed to taste test your stuff first before you started eating.
No.
Yeah, you're supposed to wait. And you already eating. They're supposed to test your food out first. All right, y'all. So Lily has made Maya and Bria's plates. I'm gonna call Maya and Bria down, and they gon' let me know if if Lily did good, if she did good cooking. All right, y'all. This is the moment of truth right here. This is the moment of truth.
My pancake dropped.
It's okay. You can get it pick it up. All right, y'all. This is the moment of truth. All right, Maya and Bria are gonna taste. You're gonna taste the food, okay? Maya and Bria have their scorecards right here.
Wait, no, that's mine. That's Maya.
Well, it really don't matter. You can just put it on. All right, so y'all gonna taste all the food, okay? And if it's good, you're gonna use a scorecard. You're gonna let me know if it's a 10 or a 1.
Or we'll get one bite of each food.
Yes, and let me know how it is, okay? All right. You can go, Bray. You can taste it.
Oh.
Tell me how Lily did.
Why the pancake taste like that?
You don't like the pancake?
A yucky pancake.
It's a yucky pancake?
I don't like pancake.
What you don't like about it? What is it? What it tastes like?
Yeah, it tastes like sand. Yeah, it tastes like sand and wood. It smells like sand. It's nasty.
Alright, y'all, like I said, these are some new pancakes. These are whole grain pancakes, so they're not like the regular pancakes with all that stuff in it. That's why they don't like it. Alright, so what y'all rated? Do your scorecards and send me, let me know what y'all rated.
1.
So is it 1 because the pancakes are nasty? What about everything? What about everything else?
1 for that, man. 10 for sausage and egg.
Okay.
And that.
And the hash brown?
Oh yeah.
Alright, so y'all, they don't like the whole grain pancakes. They're used to the other stuff. They're used to the Hungry Jacks. That's what it is.
It tastes like sand. If you put syrup on it.
That's because y'all don't like being healthy. That's the healthy pancakes right now.
That's not the healthy pancake. It's the sand pancake. it's a rockin' sand.
Oh. So it looked like I'm gonna have to make the other pancakes, man. But alright, so they said this tastes like sand, but this is like the healthier version for pancakes. But I'm gonna go ahead and taste it real quick. We're gonna see. Spread that real quick.
Oh, you were so excited to eat those nasty sand pumpkins.
So it tastes like sand?
Yeah.
Yeah, I think y'all want to do. Let me see.
Strawberries!
Oh, man!
She's nasty.
Oh, that's nasty. Oh my God! Hey! playing, but don't get these. I was trying to be healthy. I was trying to do the right thing. I was trying to, be a little bit healthy. But this Kodak cakes, man, this junk is nasty. It tastes just like sand. That's what it tastes like.
We likes it.
You like them sandy pancakes? Yeah, they not good? Yeah, they nasty, ain't they? They nasty? Alright, y'all. See, this the pancakes they like right here. So it look like I'm gonna have to whip up another batch. Because these pancakes are definitely nasty. I'm not gonna lie. These pancakes.
They're the worst ever.
Yeah, these are some pretty bad pancakes.
They taste like sand pumpkin. And they make pancakes and then they dip them in sand. They dip them in sand so they can do a prank.
These are very, very dry. I'm not gonna lie. These are dry. These are dry behind pancakes. So I'm gonna go ahead and make these pancakes. These are their favorite pancakes.
Yeah, cause it's yummy, less nasty.
Whenever y'all enjoyed this video, make sure you hit the thumbs up button, turn your post notifications so you not miss a video from us. And if you want to see Lily make something else, leave it down in the comment section below. And we see you guys in the next one. Peace.